Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. A pear is just a pear, except when it's also a laser-coded information delivery system with advanced security clearance. And that's what pears, not to mention apples, cucumbers, and peaches, are becoming in some supermarkets around the country. A new technology uses lasers to tattoo fruits and vegetables with their names, identifying numbers, countries of origin, and other information that helps speed distribution. The process may sound sinister, but it was designed with the consumer in mind. Laser coding could mean the end of those tiny stubborn stickers that have to be picked, scraped, or yanked off produce. The stickerless technology has a broader purpose too. It's part of the produce industry's latest effort to identify and track everything Americans eat. Since 9/11, the industry has been encouraged to develop track and trace technology to allow protection of the food supply from the farm to your plate. The marks are permanently etched onto the fruit, removing only the outer pigment to reveal a contrasting layer underneath and make the tattoo readable, even scannable. Produce can now be barcoded with lots of information: where it comes from, who grew it, who picked it, even how many calories it has per serving. Taking it one commercial step further, you could have a green pepper that was completely covered with coding in the form of advertising. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear them. My email address is kodiakgardens@yahoo.com. Until next time, I'm Marion Owen.